In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed tally forms in ClickFunnels. This process will enable you to seamlessly integrate custom forms within your ClickFunnels pages, making it easier for you to collect and manage data from your audience. Let's start by navigating to the Tally website. Head over to your preferred web browser, and in the address bar, type Tally. This is the free online form builder platform where we'll begin our journey. Tally offers intuitive and powerful tools for creating custom forms tailored to your needs. Once you're at the Tally homepage, look towards the upper right corner and click on the Log In button. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up. Otherwise, you can directly log in if you already have an account. After clicking Log In, you'll be presented with several options. For simplicity and convenience, choose Continue with Google. This method is widely used because it efficiently handles authentication and allows you easy access using your existing Google credentials. Now that you've clicked to continue with Google, a window will pop up asking you to select your Google account. Choose the account you want to associate with Tally and then click Continue. Make sure to authorize any permissions if prompted. This generally ensures that Tally can provide the best possible service, utilizing your Google account settings. Once successfully logged in, you will find yourself on the Tally dashboard. Here you need to locate the form you want to embed. Open your chosen form and get ready to move on to the next steps. With your form open, navigate towards the top of the page and click on the Share button. It's usually represented by an option to share your form between various channels, be it social media, via a link, or in this case, embedded directly into a web page like ClickFunnels. Once you've clicked Share, a drop-down menu or window should appear. From here, you'll want to select Embed Form. This is the option that allows you to extract a snippet of HTML code that can be inserted directly into the back end of your ClickFunnels page. After selecting Embed Form, click on Get the Code. This will generate the necessary HTML code script. Highlight this code and copy it to your clipboard. This code is what you'll need to paste into your ClickFunnels page to embed the form directly. Now switch over to ClickFunnels and open the page editor for the funnel you wish to enhance with your Tally form. Here you'll need to use the custom JS or HTML element. Drag and drop this element onto your ClickFunnels page where you'd like the form to appear, and paste the copied HTML code into this element. Ensure that everything is properly aligned and set to your preference, and that's all there is to it. With your Tally form now embedded in ClickFunnels, you can collect and organize data with ease, all without compromising the design aesthetic of your web page. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful